हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक अगेन टू प्रॉक्सी ज्ञान। मैं आपका एजुकेटर सैयद शाहबाज फिर से स्वागत करता हूं हमारे प्रॉक्सी ज्ञान यूट्यूब चैनल पे। तो आज का जो हमारा मैगज़ीन का टॉपिक रहेगा वो हम पढ़ेंगे एडुटेरिया के करंट अफेयर्स दोस्तों। जी हाँ, बहुत सारे बच्चे इस पे टॉपिक लाने की बात कर रहे थे, एडुटेरिया करंट अफेयर्स। तो ये ईयरली है। अभी तक इनका लेटेस्ट एडिशन आया हुआ है 1 मार्च से लेकर 1 अप्रैल तक। ठीक है, तो इस लेक्चर में हम सारे वन लाइनर्स को कवर करेंगे। उसके बाद हम एमसीक्यूज़ को कवर करेंगे एंड फाइनली पूरी कंप्लीट मैगज़ीन का वीडियो भी मैं आपको अपलोड कर दूंगा। तो कई सारे बच्चे इंग्लिश में एडिटोरियल करंट अफेयर्स लाने की बात कर रहे थे, तो फाइनली इनकी किताब रिलीज़ हुई है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के। ओके, और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं इंडेक्स, सारा कुछ इसमें कवर होगा, बजट से लेकर जितने भी स्पोर्ट्स न्यूज़ हैं, एनवायरनमेंट न्यूज़ है, जितने भी नेशनल पार्क्स हैं और मेजर एम वो वी सॉरी जो साइन किया गया था वो। ओके, यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं आप। एंड नेक्स्ट जो प्रेसिडेंट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ डिफरेंट कंट्रीज़ के बारे में बताया गया है और मेजर इनिशिएटिव्स क्या क्या हैं उसके बारे में है यहाँ पे, राइट। सो डिफेंस साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, और फाइनली जो एमसीक्यूज़ इसमें आपको 1000 आपको देखने को मिलेंगे दोस्तों। ओके, यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं आप 1000 एमसीक्यूज़ आपको यहाँ पे देखने को मिलेंगे, बट बहुत ही ज़्यादा है ये। करंट अफेयर्स के हिसाब से आपको सारा कुछ ईच एंड एवरी टॉपिक कवर हो जाएगा। एमसीक्यूज़ का मैं अलग टॉपिक लेकर आऊँगा आपके लिए, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे अब सिर्फ वन लाइनर्स को डिस्कस करते हैं जो एक साल में जितने भी इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स हैं। तो चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट विदाउट एनी डिले। तो चलिए पहला टॉपिक है हमारा मार्च 2022। तो पहला क्वेश्चन वन लाइनर देख लेते हैं। नागालैंड असेंबली हैज बिकम द फर्स्ट असेंबली टू बिकम कंप्लीटली पेपरलेस बाय इम्प्लीमेंटिंग नेशनल ई विधान एप्लीकेशन दोस्तों, ठीक है। सो नेक्स्ट है हमारा प्रोफेसर श्रीपति टुडू ऑफ द वेस्ट बंगाल हैज ट्रांसलेटेड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इनटू ओआई चिकी स्क्रिप्ट। ओके, ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है दोस्तों, ओआई चिकी स्क्रिप्ट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन इंडिया। दो दिस पीपल हु नो संथाली लैंग्वेज विल हैव टू एक्सेस टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट है हमारा जिया राय फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र has become the youngest and fastest female swimmer to swim across the Park Street. So she is only 13 years old and completed this feat successfully by covering a distance of 29 kilometers in 13 hours and 10 minutes. ठीक है, कितने 13 hours। ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं। स्टैंडिंग कमेटी ऑफ द नेशनल वाइल्ड लाइफ बोर्ड अनाउंस टू ऑब्जर्व 5 अक्टूबर एज ए नेशनल डॉल्फिन डे। क्लियर, चलिए। सो नेक्स्ट हमारा द रेड फोर्ट फेस्टिवल भारतीय भाग्य विधाता was organized by Ministry of Culture in New Delhi from 25th March to 3rd April. Under this program जितने भी एक्टिविटीज़ हैं इंडियाज़ हेरिटेज आर्ट के रिलेटेड सारा कुछ ऑर्गेनाइज किया जाएगा आपको, ठीक है। और इंडिया का पहला साई नेशनल सेंटर ऑफ एक्सेलेंस विल बी सेटअप एट शिमला बाय हिमाचल प्रदेश। द यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ यूथ अफेयर्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स ये इनके अंडर आता है। द सेंटर विल ट्रेन एथलेट्स इन बाइसिकल, मोटर टू क्रॉस एंड माउंटेन टेरर बाइकिंग दोस्तों, ठीक है। Next, Union Environment Minister and Union Minister of Jal Shakti jointly released a detailed project report on rejuvenation of 13 major rivers. Clear? So Prime Minister Narendra Modi, so PM Narendra Modi Sahab inaugurated the Biplobi Bharat Gallery at Victoria Memorial Hall in Kolkata. The gallery showcased the revolutionary involved in the freedom struggle for their opposition to the British rule. ठीक है। Next, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the National Defence University building at Gandhinagar in Gujarat. This is also very important. Ministry of Rural Development organized third edition of the Gender Samvad. It was organized under the Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana. Clear? That is National Livelihood Mission दोस्तों। Okay. चलिए नेक्स्ट, द दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट has announced the launch of mega campaign for urban farming and under this people will be encouraged to grow vegetables at home. The government will be organized at the round table conference for the same. Okay. Next, Scotch very very important होता है Scotch के ratings, okay, of governance ranking 2021. It was released by Scotch Group according to the performance of states in various project at state, district and municipal level. पहला रैंक किसको गया है दोस्तों? आंध्र प्रदेश को गया है पहला रैंक, ओके। और दूसरा किसको गया है? वेस्ट बंगाल को दिया गया है। चलिए नेक्स्ट है हमारा सो वुमेन एट द वर्क प्रोग्राम। सो स्टार्टेड बाय, किसने स्टार्ट किया था? गवर्नमेंट ऑफ कर्नाटका, ठीक है। एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव टू प्रोवाइड नेसेसरी एम्प्लॉयमेंट टू 5 लाख एजुकेटर्स वुमेन बाय द ईयर 2026. Next, IIT Hyderabad developed a smart ventilator called Jeevan Life for commercial use. It can be controlled with the help of smartphone app. So this is also important. Okay. चलिए, Union Ministry of Civil Aviation and Government of Madhya Pradesh inaugurated the state first drone school at Gwalior. Okay. Next, Government of Maharashtra announced setting up India's first medical city in Pune. The city will be named Indrayani. यहाँ देख लीजिए, Indrayani Medicity, and 24 different hospitals will be set up in this city. Okay. चलिए, सो नेक्स्ट हमारा इंडियन रेलवे हैज़ कमीशन द फर्स्ट गति शक्ति मल्टी मोडल कार्गो टर्मिनल। ओके, क्या है? गति शक्ति, फर्स्ट गति शक्ति मल्टी मॉडल, सॉरी यहाँ पे स्पेस नहीं है, मैं आपको लिख के दिखाता वरना। सो थापर प्रोग्राम इन आसानसोल डिवीजन। ओके, नेक्स्ट इंडिया का पहला वर्ल्ड पीस सेंटर विल बी सेटअप बाय गुरुग्राम इन हरियाणा एंड द सेंटर विल प्रमोट एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम इन कोऑर्डिनेशन विद एशियंट एंड मॉडर्न knowledge दोस्तों। The Bihar government has announced it will take digital documents related to land including maps to the people of state from door to door. Bihar will be the first state in the country to do so दोस्तों, right? Next हमारा तमिलनाडु पेट्रो प्रोडक्ट्स लिमिटेड has become the first lab company in the world to receive Bureau of Indian Standard certification. This is also very very important. Odisha has secured the top position in all India in terms of vaccination. किसके अंडर मिशन इंद्रधनुष। ओडिशा has received 90.5% coverage under this mission दोस्तों। चलिए, सो नेक्स्ट है हमारा इंडियाज लॉन्गेस्ट शिप एवर MV राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल अराइव्ड एट पांडु पोर्ट इन गुवाहाटी फ्रॉम श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी पोर्ट इन हल्दिया वेस्ट बंगाल। द लेंथ ऑफ द शिप इज 90 मीटर्स एंड विड्थ इज 26 मीटर्स। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। इंडियन आर्मी अनाउंस सेटिंग अप द चेयर ऑफ एक्सेलेंस इन द न्यू दिल्ली इन द ऑनर ऑफ जनरल बिपिन रावत। ओके, यहाँ पर स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग है, इट्स बिपिन रावत। ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं। So Mahanadi Coalfields Limited has become India's largest coal producing company by producing 157 million tons of the coal in the financial year 2020-21. ठीक है, next Union Road Transport Minister that is Nitin Gadkari has launched India's first green hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicle Toyota Mirai। ये actually 2 months back ही इसको launch किया गया था दोस्तों। And Kerala will be the first state in India to introduce carbon neutral agriculture at selected location. In the first phase, carbon neutral cultivation will be done in 13 farms. The Kerala government allocated for 6 crore for this budget 2022 and 23. Okay, चलिए, the government of Himachal Pradesh has released Apna Kangra app which aims to promote the sale of local handicrafts manufactured by self-help groups दोस्तों। Okay, next Fish Setu app released by central government. Through this fishermen will be made aware of aquatic farming technology. Next है हमारा central government. So central government ने क्या किया? It has launched that is My Ration mobile app to identify a fair price shop to the beneficiary of food security and to facilitate one nation one ration card system. Next हमारा government of Karnataka launches the India's first digital water data aquarium। ठीक है, the water data bank will collect the list of water data received from the various institutions and provide a reliable information on water। ठीक है, the government of Gujarat launched the new sports policy। It is a main objective is to promote the sports talent in the state. Next, as per the report released, the state of Kerala recorded the lowest maternal mortality ratio in the India. The ratio is कितना है 103 per lakh दोस्तों। नेक्स्ट सागर परिक्रमा की बात करते हैं। एज ए पार्ट ऑफ अमृत महोत्सव ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस इंडिया फ्रॉम द श्यामजी कृष्ण वर्मा मेमोरियल इन गुजरात and jointly started by Department of Fisheries, Government of India and Gujarat Fisheries Department and finally Indian Coast Guards। ये मकसद क्या है इनका? टू यूनाइट द फिशिंग कम्युनिटी। ओके, सो क्या मकसद है इनका? टू यूनाइट फिशिंग कम्युनिटी। ओके, सो ऑफ द कोस्टल स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया टू प्रमोट फिश प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द अदर सीज फूड एक्सपोर्ट्स। नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं। इंडियाज फर्स्ट मोबाइल एम्बुलेंस वॉज लॉन्च इन चेन्नई फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ एनिमल्स रोमिंग इन द रोड्स। इंडियन रेलवेज हैज डेवलप ए सेफ्टी system called Kavach to protect railways from accident दोस्तों। This technology will stop the train before any accident। चलिए, नेक्स्ट है हमारा डोनेट पेंशन प्रोग्राम विच वॉज लॉन्च्ड बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ लेबर, दैट इज लेबर अंडर प्रधानमंत्री श्रम योगी मानधन योजना। नेक्स्ट है हमारा द इंडियाज फर्स्ट इंडस्ट्रियल पार्क विथ 100% फीमेल ओनरशिप की बात करें हैज़ ओपन एट हैदराबाद तेलंगाना। द पार्क हैज़ बीन सेट अप बाय द फिक्की लेडीज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन कोलैबोरेशन विद तेलंगाना गवर्नमेंट। नेक्स्ट ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ महाशिवरात्रि 11.71 लाख अर्दन लैम्प्स और लाइटन ऑन उज्जैन मध्य प्रदेश विच इंक्लूडेड द गिनीज वर्ल्ड बुक रिकॉर्ड। ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। सो प्रेसिडेंट रामनाथ कोविंद इनॉग्रेटेड आरोग्य वनम in the New Delhi with an aim to promote the importance of the Ayurvedic plants and positive impact on human health. The Arogya Vanam consists of 215 Ayurvedic plants दोस्तों। ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट है हमारा मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर एंड मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टेक्सटाइल ऑर्गेनाइज अ जरोखा प्रोग्राम टू प्रमोट द इंडियन हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स। ठीक है, and art culture. The program will be held at 16 locations across the 13 states. The first event was held in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh दोस्तों। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इंडियाज फर्स्ट लार्जेस्ट फ्लोटिंग सोलर फॉर्म की बात करें। एक मिनट में थोड़ा कलर चेंज कर लेता हूँ इसको। ओके, आई थिंक स्टैंडर्ड कलर है. इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट floating solar power plant was inaugurated at Thoothukudi in Tamil Nadu. The plant can generate 42 million units of electricity annually. The plant has been constructed by the Southern Petrochemical Industry Corporation Limited. दोस्तों, the world's tallest statue of the Lord Buddha is being constructed at Bodh Gaya in Bihar. The statue is 30 feet high and 100 feet long. Okay, and next, Bombay Suburban Electric Supply has set up in the India's first smart managed EV charging station. Okay, so EV charging station setup किया गया है. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveils the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in Pune. The statue is 9.5 feet high, which is made up of gunmetal. Okay. Next, the Delhi government has launched a school health clinic to check the physical and mental health of children. Next, the Union Ministry, Home Minister Amit Shah announced 33% reservation in the government jobs for women in Tripura. Next, आ गया हमारा, the central government has approved the opening of Global Center of World Health Organization at Jamnagar, Gujarat, to promote the traditional system of medicine. It will set up under Ministry of Ayush. Okay. नेक्स्ट बात करें तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया साइंड ए $125 million लोन एग्रीमेंट with the World Bank to help the poor group in West Bengal. Next, for the first time, the Kerala High Court has constituted a full bench of women judges on the occasion of International Women's Day. The bench will hear the petition filed by the state. दोस्तों, नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं द माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कंपनी. एक मिनट. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री लिमिटेड हैज सेट अप द इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट एंड कल्चरल हब इन मुंबई विच हैज बीन नेम्ड एज जियो वर्ल्ड सेंटर. इट विल बी मल्टी डायमेंशनल डेस्टिनेशन विद मेनी फैसिलिटीज लाइक अपार्टमेंट, रेस्टोरेंट्स, केफ्स, ऑफिस, शॉप, कल्चर सेंटर्स एक्सेट्रा. दोस्तों, ठीक है. चलिए फरवरी की देख लेते हैं हम लोग. थोड़ा जूम कर लेता हूँ मैं इसको, अभी अच्छा दिखेगा. राइट. सो Khijadia Bird Sanctuary from Gujarat and Bakhira Wildlife Sanctuary from Uttar Pradesh were included in the Ramsar list. With this, the number of wetlands of India included in has gone up to 49. Okay. चलिए, on 5th February, Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled 216 feet tall statue at the 11th century Bhakti Saint Ramajunacharya in Hyderabad. It will be called Statue of Equality. This idol is made up of Panchola. याद रख लीजिए. Next, the tableau of Uttar Pradesh has been selected as the best tableau among 12 states which participated in the Republic Day parade. The tableau of Uttar Pradesh was based on the theme One District, One Product, Kashi Vishwanath Dham. दोस्तों, India's second and the world's third largest cricket stadium is being constructed in Jaipur in Rajasthan. At present, the Narendra Modi is the largest cricket stadium in the world. दोस्तों, ठीक है. Next, इंडिया का पहला बायोमास बेस्ड हाइड्रोजन प्लांट इज बीइंग सेटअप एट कांडवा इन मध्य प्रदेश. इट विल प्रोड्यूस 1 ton of hydrogen from 13 tons of biomass per day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Asia's largest bio CNG plant at Indore in Madhya Pradesh. It will have a capacity of 550 tons per day. India has become the first country in the world to introduce DNA vaccine called Zycov-D against COVID-19. The vaccine has been produced by the Ahmedabad-based Zydus Cadila company. दोस्तों, okay. The 9.02 kilometer long Atal tunnel was recognized as the longest highway tunnel in the world by the World Book of Records. It is located at the altitude of 10,000 feet in the eastern Pir Panjal range, Leh Manali highway. दोस्तों, India's first bullet train station will be set up in Surat by December 2024. Okay, it will start between Mumbai and Ahmedabad. Jiva program, it was launched by NABARD in 11 states. Objective is to promote eco-friendly natural farming under watershed and Wadi programs. Hope Express is a kind of state-of-art mosaic 3D radiation mission launched by the Health Minister of Maharashtra. The objective is to take measure for prevention of cancer in the state. Union Road Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari and Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar inaugurated rail-cum-road bridge over River Ganga in Munger district, Bihar. The bridge is built on the NH 333B and total length of project is 14.5. Ministry of Railways has approved and the setting up of the India's largest wrestling academy at Kishanganga to promote wrestling. Maru Mahotsav was organized at Jaisalmer in Rajasthan on February 13 to 16. Under this, region folk dance were displayed. दोस्तों, और ये मांडू कंफ्यूज मत हो जाना, मांडू फेस्टिवल ये एमपी के है. The Medaram Jatara festival was organized by Koya tribe in Telangana from 16 to 19 Feb. 2.26 crore has been allocated by Union Ministry of Tribal Affairs. The New India Literacy Program for the period 2022-27 was launched by Ministry of Education. It aims to promote adult education. The government has transformed adult education into education for all. India's Ayurvedic company Dabur India has become India's first plastic waste neutral company. It has achieved this feat by recycling about 27,000 metric ton of plastic waste during the year 2021 and 22. दोस्तों, okay. चलिए, the Union Ministry of Power RK Singh has set a target of zero diesel use and use of renewable energy in agriculture in India by 2024. Rajasthan stood first in terms of solar power based electrification of household under Saubhagya scheme. Agri Infinity program launched by the Yes Bank to promote digital financing for the agriculture sector. The Caravan Park is being constructed at Vagamon in Idukki district of Kerala. The park has necessarily facilitates for the comfort of people such as internet, kitchen, sofa, fridge, AC, etc. will be available. The Assam government launched India's first night navigation mobile application app for ferry services on the Brahmaputra river in Guwahati. The first journey of the night with this navigation system was made between Guwahati and North Guwahati. Dosto. Indian Railways will construct India's first cable stayed railway bridge over Anji River in the Riyasi district of Jammu and Kashmir. The bridge will be inaugurated under Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail link project. इसकी हाइट जो है 331 मीटर्स रहेगी. प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी लॉन्च किसान ड्रोन यात्रा एंड इनिशिएटिव ऑफ किसका है गरुड़ा एरोस्पेस लिमिटेड दोस्तों फॉर स्प्रेइंग पेस्टिसाइड इन फील्ड्स इन सेवरल स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया. अंडर दिस 100 किसान ड्रोन्स हैज बीन इंस्टॉल्ड इन 100 villages of 16 states of India. Okay, the Union Ministry of Culture and the Archaeological Survey of India organized two-day international conference, Devanatham Bharatiya Mandir Architecture. Delhi Cabinet has approved setting up the India's first electronic waste eco park. The park will recycle e-waste in safe manner. The 14th International Kolkata Book Fair was launched on February 28th. The focus country was Bangladesh. West to Wealth Creation Program launched by SIDBI, that is Small Industrial Development Bank of India. The main objective is to encourage women in the Sundarbans of West Bengal to make jewelry and showpieces from fish shells. So, Aravali Biodiversity Park at Gurugram in Haryana has been declared as India's first other effective area-based conservation measures. The status of OECM is given by IUCN to those areas which conserve biodiversity but are not protected areas. Union Ministry for Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia, launched intensive mission Indradhanush 4.0. It aims to ensure complete immunization and among children. This mission covers pregnant women and children. Dosto. The world's largest igloo cave has been opened at Gulmarg in Jammu Kashmir. The cave is made up of ice which is called smoke glue. It is height of 37.5 feet and width of 44.5 feet. Dosto. Jammu Kashmir has become the first union territory to join the single window clearance system. याद रख लीजिए पहला यूनियन टेरिटरी है ये जो सिंगल विंडो क्लियरेंस सिस्टम ज्वाइन हुआ था. थ्रू दिस द इंडस्ट्रियल सर्विसेज हैव बीन मेड ऑनलाइन सो दैट इन्वेस्टर कैन अप्लाई फॉर द बिजनेसेस. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट है हमारा डैकेथॉन 2022 वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय नार्कोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो. मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव इसका टू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन टू डील विद द ड्रग ट्रैफिकिंग. द बिहार गवर्नमेंट अनाउंस्ड टू ऑब्जर्व 15th Feb एज ए मार्टियर्स डे इन मेमोरी ऑफ 34 फ्रीडम फाइटर्स किल्ड बाय पुलिस इन मुंगेर. इंडिया का पहला लेवल 3 मोबाइल बायोसेफ्टी लैबोरेटरी was set up at Nasik. The aim is to check for new emerging viral diseases in India. National Science Festival was jointly organized by National Institute of Technology and National Institute of Nutrition in Hyderabad. Project Arohan, the Assam government will launch the 4-year program in collaboration with Tata Group. कौन सा नाम है इसका? Project Arohan. It aimed to guide the students and improve their skill. The World Economic Forum and National Institute of Urban Affairs has launched Sustainable Cities India program. Under this, 5 to 7 cities of India will be decarbonized into 2 years. The first solar power plant of Indian Railway has been launched in Madhya Pradesh. ठीक है, and it will have a capacity of 1.7 megawatts. Okay, for the first time in India, the Ocean 2022 conference was organized by IIT Madras and National Institute of Ocean Technology. It is a bilineal program of global marine researches. Its main objective is to tackle marine population, climate change and weather uncertainty. The Ministry of Education has extended the duration of Rashtriya Uchatar Shiksha Abhiyan scheme till 2026. It was launched in 2013 with an objective of funding higher education institution. T49 tunnel is being constructed by Indian Railways under the Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail link project दोस्तों. Okay, which will be the longest tunnel in India. याद रख लीजिएगा. ठीक है. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. So, which is the longest tunnel in India? मैं बता रहा था आपको. Length of this tunnel will be 12.758 kilometers. Ministry of State for Culture and Parliamentary Affairs Arjun Ram Meghwal organized India's first largest student career largest student career counseling 2022 in Bikaner. More than 1 lakh students participated in this program. A training program for student and teacher were also organized here. The Delhi Police has become the first police force in the country to launch a smart card arms license. Under this smart card, you will have to be kept with oneself in a place of heavy arms license booklet दोस्तों. और शस्त्रा ऐप भी इन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया. The world largest bell is being constructed on the Chambal river front in Rajasthan. The weight of this bell is 82,000 kgs. Can you imagine? The central government has banned 54 Chinese apps under Section 69A of the IT Act for posing a threat to country security. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman released the first color memory coin on Panchatantra composed by Vishnu Sharma. Union Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways set up Nikharshan Southern Dredging Museum at Visakhapatnam. It presents historical models of different types of dredging. याद रख लीजिए. Dredging is a technique of discharging the debris from water बॉडीज। क्लियर। चलिए, वेदांता लिमिटेड ऑयल एंड गैस प्रोड्यूसर कंपनी काम केन इसका नाम है, हैज़ डिस्कवर ऑयल रिजर्व एट बारमेर इन राजस्थान विच हैज़ बीन नेम्ड दुर्गा। इंडियन कंपनी वेदांता हैज़ टाइड अप विथ Foxconn, okay, the world largest electronic manufacturer, to manufacture semiconductors in India. This will boost domestic manufacturing of electronics in India. Instagram has launched the Take a Break feature globally. Under this, people will be helped to get rid of social media addiction. A Chhattisgarh government has launched Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Landless Agriculture Labor Nyaya Yojana, और इसके अंडर आपको 6,000 रुपीज़ विल बी प्रोवाइडेड टू लैंडलेस फार्मर्स इन 2 installments. Vignan Sarvatra Pujayate program was organized by Union Ministry of Science and Technology in Madhya Pradesh. It was inaugurated by President Ramnath Kovind through virtual media. It aims to attract students towards sciences. दोस्तों, okay. So next, the Indian Army has organized the first of its kind hackathon Sania Ranakshetram at Mahao in Himachal Pradesh. A session of experts was held for training for the participants in this programs. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. आंध्र प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट हैज लॉन्च एपी सेवा पोर्टल. ओके, सो दिस इज एपी सेवा पोर्टल 3.0 फॉर बेटर civic service. Through this, citizens living in a remote areas can avail the benefits of the government servicing sitting at home. ठीक है. So next हमारा Ministry of Culture has signed an agreement with SBI for development of Atma Bharat Design Center. Atma Bharat Design Center. Okay, ABDC. Its main objective is to promote Indian historical heritage and bring fame to GI products. Next, Haryana Cabinet has approved the anti-conversion bill. Through this bill, it has been proposed to ban the conversion of religion in the state. दोस्तों, okay. तो चलिए नेक्स्ट है हमारा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ तमिलनाडु कॉन्स्टिट्यूट मैराइन एलाइट फोर्ट्स एट नागापट्टिनम टू कंजर्व बायोडाइवर्सिटी इन गल्फ ऑफ मन्नार एंड गल्फ ऑफ पाकिस्तान. अंडर दिस द एंडेंजर्ड स्पीसीज विल बी प्रोटेक्टेड. कौन सा? ए इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंडेंजर्ड स्पीसीज. चलिए नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. द कंट्री फर्स्ट alcohol wine museum has been built in the Goa. Alcohol showcase the culture of Goa. The taste of 500-old alcoholic feni attracts the tourists. दोस्तों, next, Prime Minister Museum has been constructed at Teen Murti Bhavan in New Delhi. The museum showcases the life of all prime ministers. ठीक है. So next है हमारा FinTech Open Summit. So program ये organize किया गया था नीति आयोग के द्वारा from February 7 to 8. Okay, from February 7 to 28. And inaugurated by Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. Objective to promote the fintech companies and its association and industry. Paratwala scheme. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the scheme for hilly region. दोस्तों, okay, जो भी hilly regions होते हैं, so उनके लिए ये स्कीम को लॉन्च किया गया है, स्पेशली इन जम्मू कश्मीर, उत्तराखंड, हिमाचल प्रदेश. इट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव टू एक्सपैंड द लोकल रेलवेज, ओके, केबल्स, रोपवेज. ओके, यहाँ देख लीजिए. चलिए नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. तो सेंटर अप्रूव्स रीनेमिंग ऑफ 3 places इन मध्य प्रदेश. ओके, तो होशंगाबाद का नर्मदापुरम हो गया. ओके, और बबाई का मक्खन नगर हो गया दोस्तों. शिवपुरी का कुंडेश्वर धाम. दोस्तों, इंडियन प्रेस फ्रीडम रिपोर्ट की बात करें, लिस्ट ऑफ स्टेट्स दैट हैव टारगेटेड द मीडिया मोस्ट. फर्स्ट प्लेस किसको जाता है? जम्मू कश्मीर को जाता है. ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट, इंडियाज फर्स्ट वाटर टैक्सी सर्विस लॉन्च इन मुंबई. इट विल कनेक्ट नवी मुंबई विद साउथ मुंबई एट बेलापुर. नेक्स्ट हो गया, द स्टेट फर्स्ट बायोडाइवर्सिटी पार्क हैज बीन ओपन इन मंडी डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ हिमाचल प्रदेश. इट्स एम्स टू प्रोटेक्ट द एंडेंजर प्लांट्स. ओडिशा अनाउंसेस ओपनिंग ऑफ जीन बैंक. यहाँ देख लीजिए, फॉर द मैनग्रोव स्पीसीज. जो भी मैनग्रोव स्पीसीज होते हैं उसके लिए जीन बैंक बनाने की बात की. इट एम्स टू कंजर्व द मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट. सो नेक्स्ट है हमारा, द कंट्री सेकंड हाइएस्ट tricolor has been hoisted in Tawang city of Arunachal Pradesh. The tricolor is located at 10,000 feet and the length of 104 feet. The flag has been hoisted at the Nangpa Natme in Tawang. दोस्तों, तो नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स है हमारे जनवरी के. सो इंडिया का जो फर्स्ट रॉक ओपन रॉक म्यूजियम इनॉग्रेट इन हैदराबाद इन तेलंगाना. इट शोकेस 35 डिफरेंट रॉक्स of India. This their ages ranges from 3.3 billion years to 55 million years. Clear? चलिए नेक्स्ट, इलेक्शन कमीशन हैज डिसाइडेड टू इंक्रीज द एक्सपेंडिचर लिमिट्स फॉर द कैंडिडेट्स कंटेस्टिंग द लोकसभा असेंबली इलेक्शन. और इसके लिए जो है यहाँ पे याद रख लीजिए, मैं लिख के दिखाता हूँ यहाँ पे, 70 से लेकर 95 लाख. ओके, लोकसभा कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी द एक्सपेंडिचर इंक्रीज फ्रॉम 70 से लेकर 95 लाख तक इसको इंक्रीज कर दिया गया है. और यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो लोकसभा कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी एक्सपेंडिचर स्मॉल लोकसभा वो कहाँ से कहाँ तक इंक्रीज किया? 54 लाख से लेकर 75 लाख तक. ठीक है. एंड फॉर लार्ज असेंबली द एक्सपेंडिचर इंक्रीज फ्रॉम 28 लाख टू 40 लाख. राइट. एंड फॉर स्मॉल असेंबली द एक्सपेंडिचर इंक्रीज फ्रॉम 20 टू 28 लाख. ठीक है, ये फिगर याद रख लीजिए. ज़्यादातर आप यहाँ पे फोकस कीजिएगा कि ये क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा पूछते हैं. हरप्रीत चंदी, एन ऑफिसर ऑफ द ब्रिटिश आर्मी ऑफ इंडियन ऑरिजिन, बिकम द फर्स्ट इंडियन ऑरिजिन वुमन टू रीच द साउथ पोल. ही कंप्लीटेड द एक्सपेडिशन इन 2 years ऑन फूड. शी इज ऑल्सो नोन एज पोलार प्रीत भी कहा जाता है इनको. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रेलवेज अनाउंसेस द रीनेमिंग ऑफ केवाडिया रेलवे स्टेशन इन गुजरात एज एकता नगर रेलवे स्टेशन. दोस्तों, Mission Amanat, launched by the Railway Protection Force to track the lost being of the passengers and to make available infos on the railway websites. Okay. चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. द 24th नेशनल ई गवर्नेंस कॉन्फ्रेंस वाज हेल्ड इन हैदराबाद, तेलंगाना. अवार्ड्स इन द फील्ड ऑफ द डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन 6 categories were also given during the event. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated MSME Technology Center in Puducherry. The center will promote about 2,000 MSMEs as well as provide training to 20,000 youth. The National Youth Festival was held in Puducherry from January 12 to 16 दोस्तों. ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं हम लोग. सो इंडिया का पहला, याद देख लीजिए, इंडिया का पहला कोल टू मिथेनॉल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट वॉज सेटअप इन हैदराबाद. इट हैज़ बीन मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय भारत हेवी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इलेक्ट्रिकल्स लिमिटेड और इसकी जो कैपेसिटी है वो 0.25 टन्स पर डे है. So Kala Kumbh was organized by the National Gallery of Modern Art in New Delhi. Under this, the story of the heroes involved in the India independence movement ये डिपिक्ट किया गया है दोस्तों. और कितने हैं? On 750 मीटर. Long scroll. The Indian government has announced the celebrated 16th January as a national startup day. On the occasion of birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, a hologram statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was unveiled at India Gate. और एक 28 feet का statue है. Okay. Next, the government of India decided to merge Amar Jawan Jyoti with the Jyoti of National War Memorial. Okay, Amar Jawan Jyoti was built in 1972 in the memory of soldiers martyred in Indo-Pak War in 1971. Okay, so next, National War Memorial was built in 2019, in which the names of martyred soldiers from 1947 to 2020 are recorded. Next, Himachal Pradesh has become the first smoke-free state in India. The major milestone has been achieved while riding on the back of welfare scheme like Ujjwala Yojana of center हो गया या फिर हिमाचल गृह सुविधा scheme of state government. The state has also become the 100% LPG enabled state in the country. Clear? The central government celebrated the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose on January 23rd as Parakramam Divas. This year, the 123rd birth anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose was celebrated. The West Bengal celebrates Desh Nayak Divas. दोस्तों, clear? On the occasion of the Republic Day, the central government removed the tune A Bit With Me. Okay, moved the tune A Bit With Me from the beating retreat ceremony, including the tune of Aye Mere Watan Ke Logo. Aye Mere Watan Ke Logo is written by poet Pradeep during the Indo-China War, was the first sung by Lata Mangeshkar in 1963. India's first Para Badminton Academy was launched at Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh. It aims to further improve the India's performance in 2024 Paralympics. Okay, clear. So Ministry of Electronics and IT approves of setting up India's first Graphene Innovation Center. It will be set up in collaboration with Tata Steel. Okay. India's largest electric vehicle charging station has been constructed at Gurugram in Haryana. It was designated by the National Highway for Electric Vehicles. It has 100 charging points which can charge 576 vehicles in India. India has decided to convert 150 villages in 12 states into Uttam Grams in collaboration with Israel. Israel has also set up 29 Center of Excellence in 12 states of India. This will help the farmers to adopt the innovative technology in agriculture sector. Government of Haryana, Himachal Pradesh signed an agreement for construction of Adi Badri Dam at Yamunanagar in Haryana. The Saraswati river will be renovated through this dam. The dam will get water from Som river in Himachal Pradesh which goes into Yamuna दोस्तों. ठीक है, चलिए. प्राजक्ता कौली जो कि एक यूट्यूबर हैं और अभी एक इनका बॉलीवुड फिल्म भी डेब्यू हुआ था, राइट? तो उस फिल्म का नाम जानते हैं आप? जुग जुग जियो, आपने देखा होगा. तो उसमें इनका डेब्यू हुआ था. So she has been selected as India's first United Nations Development Program Young Climate Champion. He was made significant contribution in the field of women's right education through YouTube, Instagram, etc. District Good Governance Index issued for 20 district of Jammu and Kashmir. ठीक है, एंड पहला प्लेस दिया गया है किसको? सो पहला प्लेस जो है वो गया है जम्मू को दोस्तों, यहाँ देख लीजिए. ओके, जम्मू को गया है. सेकंड दोड़ा को दिया गया है. On 15th January, on the occasion of Army Day, the world's largest national flag made of khadi was displayed in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. The length of this flag is 225 feet and width is 150 feet. Kerala has released India's first state-level bird atlas. The atlas contains 361 species of birds. Minister of State for Culture Meenakshi Lekhi launched the Northeast on Wheels campaign in New Delhi to promote the culture of northeastern states. Under this, 75 Bikhirs participating in the expedition will be selected from all over the country and will cover about 9,000 km in northeast region in 6 groups. The Haryana government has announced the setting up of the country first heli hub at Gurugram. यहाँ देख लीजिए कहाँ पे? Gurugram में. In this hub, helicopters will have facility at one place. After the launch of battery operated boats in Kochi, it became the first city in India to have a hydro metropole project. The project was been named Mujris. यहाँ देख लीजिए. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced to celebrate 26 December as Veer Bal Divas. The day will be celebrated to pay homage to 4 sons of Guru Gobind Singh. Khadi and Village Industry Commission launched India का पहला mobile honey processing van in Ghaziabad. The quality of honey will also be tested in processing in this van. Jerry Hamlet was declared as the first milk village of Jammu and Kashmir. Indian Council of Medical Research has approved a kit that will be used to detect Omicron. Okay, the kit is manufactured by Tata Medical and Diagnosis is named as Omisure. Kerala High Court has been become the India's first paperless court to convert courts into smart courts. Ganjam district of Odisha has been declared as India का पहला child marriage free district है. Under the Nirbhaya Khadi campaign, the Ganjam district achieved the feat of preventing child marriages. इंडिया का पहला जियो साइंटिफिक पार्क बनाया गया है लमटा में, जबलपुर मध्य प्रदेश में. और मनाउरू मनाबड़ी प्रोग्राम ये तेलंगाना गवर्नमेंट का है दोस्तों. मनाउरू, उरू का मतलब क्या होता है? देखिए, उरू का मतलब इज नथिंग बट हमारा गांव, विलेज. हमारा विलेज होता है. बड़ी का मतलब क्या होता है? बड़ी का मतलब होता है स्कूल. ये तेलुगु लैंग्वेज में कहा जाता है इसको. मनाउरू मनाबड़ी मतलब हमारा गांव, हमारी स्कूल. अंडर दिस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर will be created as schools to increase the quality of education. ठीक है. So NEET 3.0 National Education Alliance for Technology was launched by the Union Ministry of Education. Under this, the use of technology solution developed in the field of education will be encouraged among the students. This will increase the ability of youth to learn and think. Gujarat High Court became the first state in India to launch Justice Clock. It will have LED display wall within the court which will display the pending cases and disposal of cases दोस्तों. Okay, चलिए नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. डिफेंस मिनिस्टर राजनाथ सिंह इनॉग्रेट कल्पना चावला. ओके, सो कल्पना चावला स्पेस साइंस रिसर्च सेंटर इन चंडीगढ़. इट एम्स टू ट्रेन द स्टूडेंट्स इन स्पेस साइंस. ठीक है. उत्तर प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट अनाउंस टू नेम द मेन मणिपुरी सैनिक स्कूल आफ्टर जनरल बिपिन रावत. ये एक्चुअली बिपिन रावत होना चाहिए. Nirmaya scheme. The scheme was launched in Assam by National Health Mission. Its objective is to implement the public digital health technology in the health state. HDFC Bank was named the best private bank in India at the Global Private Banking Awards in 2021. Shivangi Singh became the first woman pilot to fly the Rafale fighter aircraft at the Republic Day parade on January 26, 2022. The central government has given ownership of Air India to the Tata Group. Farmers of Doda district of Jammu Kashmir are promoting the cultivation of lavender, which is being called the Purple Revolution. Cultivation of lavender flowers is being promoted under Aroma Mission. An inquiry committee headed by former Supreme Court Judge Indu Malhotra has been constituted for lapses in the security in the Prime Minister in Punjab. ठीक है. The first Global Surya Namaskar program was organized by the Minister of Ayush on 14 Jan. And Goa का जो Chief Minister थे प्रताप सिंह राणे has been given the status of lifelong cabinet minister in the state of Council of Ministers. Okay. 9th edition of the Northeast Festival was held in Guwahati from 7th to 9th January 2022. And Cerium, a provider of aviation statistics to travel, finance, aerospace and aviation industry, has placed Chennai Airport holds 8th rank in the world. Okay, कितना कौन सा rank? 8th rank. याद रख लीजिए. For on-time efficiency amongst largest international airport for 2021. India's highest football stadium was built in Leh Ladakh. कुंबलंगी विलेज इन कोचिन बिकम द इंडिया का पहला सैनिटरी नैपकिन फ्री विलेज है अंडर अवल कई इनिशिएटिव. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्टेट फॉर कल्चर मीनाक्षी लेखी रिलीज द पिक्टोरियल कॉमिक बुक टाइटल इंडियाज वुमेन अनसंग हीरोज टू पे ट्रिब्यूट टू वुमेन फ्रीडम फाइटर्स. UP government has declared 4 villages of Bahraich district near the Nepal border has a revenue villages. After this, villages will be able to get benefit of all the government schemes. South Korean company POSCO signs MOU with Indian company Adani Group to set up a steel plant in Gujarat. Under this agreement, an investment of 37,000 crore will be made in Gujarat. The first podcast title Khissa Khaki Kha was released by Indian police. Through this, Delhi police will aware of public of its activities. Okay. चलिए, Ahmedabad Sundarban Mini Zoo has launched and adopted an animal initiative to overcome the financial hardship during the pandemic. Under this initiative, the adopter will bear the monthly maintenance cost of adopted animal. Next देख लेते हैं हमारे दिसंबर 2021 के important current affairs. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the first phase of Kashi Vishwanath. कौन सा है ये फर्स्ट फेज है दोस्तों, याद रख लीजिए. ओके, काशी विश्वनाथ project which built an amount of 339 crores. National Energy Conservation Day was celebrated on December 14 with the theme Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Energy Efficient India. The National Commission for Women has launched She is a Change Maker program for women representative. It aims to improve the skill of women political leaders at every level. Okay. Himachal Pradesh became the first state in the country to administer second dose. याद रखिए, ये भी पहला देखिए. To administer the second dose of corona vaccine to 100% of state population. And in December 2021, Kazuveli wetland in Tamil Nadu was declared as 16th bird sanctuary of the state. दोस्तों, Microsoft launched a cyber security skills program. Under more than 1 lakh Indians will be trained in cyber security. इंडिया का पहला ड्रोन फेयर was organized on December 11 at Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, to create awareness about the utility of drones in agriculture and commercial sector. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Saryu Canal National Project, the largest project in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, 5 rivers जो घाघरा, सरयू, रप्ती, बनगंगा, रोही were connected under this project दोस्तों. Vyasa hydroelectric project has been constructed on the river Yamuna in Uttarakhand with a capacity of 120 megawatt. याद रख लीजिए. In India, the first case of infection from Omicron, the new variant of corona, was supported in Karnataka. The Minister of Rural Development and Flipkart. Okay, so Minister of Rural Development and दोनों ने मिलकर क्या क्या एक agreement को sign किया है. ठीक है, for the self help group, SHG हम जिसे कहते हैं, self help groups के लिए एक agreement sign किया गया to bring under the ambit of e-commerce दोस्तों. ठीक है, Durga Puja, the famous festival of Kolkata in India, has been included the list of UNESCO Culture Heritage. Union Ministry of Science and Technology organized 7th India International Science Festival in Goa. And Mission Shakti Living Lab, launched by Odisha government in collaboration with UNCDF. And hashtag Care for Hockey campaign by Bajaj Allianz General Insurance ने actually launch किया था to promote the development of hockey in India दोस्तों. Right? चलिए next, the Union Cabinet has approved the Ken Betwa link project. The total cost will be 446.05 crores. NTPC launched India का पहला green hydrogen based energy storage plant from Simhadri Thermal Power Station in Visakhapatnam, Andhra. Okay, Niti Aayog launched e-Sawari, Indian Electric Bus Coalition in collaboration with CESL and WRI India. It aims to promote the use of electric buses in the country. Indian Home Minister Amit Shah laid down the foundation stone of Ma Umiya Dham Vikas Pariyojana in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. And Punjab government declared Jagannath Rath Yatra of Lord Krishna as annual state festival. एंड इंडिया का पहला इंटरनेशनल आर्बिट्रेशन मीडिएशन सेंटर इनॉग्रेट किया गया है हैदराबाद तेलंगाना में दोस्तों. वही अगर आपको पूछे सो इंडिया का पहला मैरीटाइम आर्बिट्रेशन सेंटर कहाँ पे है? okay? मैरीटाइम आर्बिट्रेशन सेंटर कहाँ पे है, ये अगर आपको पूछे तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है यहाँ पे मैं एरेज करके आपको बताता हूँ. आई थिंक आपने पढ़ा होगा इंडिया का पहला जो मैरीटाइम आर्बिट्रेशन सेंटर है वो कहाँ पे, गुजरात में है दोस्तों. यहाँ देख लीजिए, गुजरात का जो गिफ्ट सिटी है ना वहाँ पे है. वही अगर इंटरनेशनल आर्बिट्रेशन मेडिटेशन सेंटर की बात करें तो तेलंगाना, हैदराबाद. ठीक है, इन ऑर्डर टू प्रमोट डिजिटल पेमेंट्स थ्रू व्हाट्सएप अनाउंसेस अडॉप्शन ऑफ 500 विलेजेस इन कर्नाटक एंड महाराष्ट्र. प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी laid the foundation stone of Ganga Expressway at Shahjahanpur in Uttar Pradesh. It will be the longest 594-kilometer expressway in UP. Project Amber, launched by National Skill Development Corporation and Generation India Foundation, New Delhi. Abheya project by Delhi Police to train the girls and make them aware for safety and security. Longest bridge T Setu, built on Mahanadi in Cuttack district of Odisha, was inaugurated. Its length is 3.4 km. This is a bridge of T shape. Union Cabinet on December 15 has approved the proposal to increase the age of marriage. कहाँ से इंक्रीज करने की बात की गई है? 18 साल से लेकर 21 साल तक बढ़ाने की बात की गई है दोस्तों. Okay. It has amended the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act to make it law. A 3-day flute festival was held in Pilibhat, Uttar Pradesh, so where the record of making world longest flute. More than 2,000 dogs have been infected with parvovirus in Amravati city of Maharashtra. Andaman and Nicobar became the first Union territory to administer 100% vaccination of the second dose of corona vaccine. And Government of Punjab launches Gwalis Gangtitas Gharial Rehabilitation Project at Bias Conservation Reserve. Government of Gujarat organized river festival on the bank of Tapi river in Surat to honor the rivers. Right to Pee campaign launched in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Okay, the name of Jhansi railway station Uttar Pradesh has been changed to Virangana Lakshmibai railway station. Sankalp Memorial was unveiled in Andaman Nicobar Island to pay homage to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay. Jharkhand Assembly passes a bill to prevent mob lynching, and road in Sikkim has been renamed from Jawaharlal Nehru to Narendra Modi Mark. A Central Drug Standard Control Organization has approved 2 new corona vaccines. एक आपको कोवैक्स है एंड मोलनोपिराविर ड्रग है दोस्तों फॉर ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ कोरोना इन इंडिया. यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री अमित शाह इनॉग्रेटेड द भारत दर्शन पार्क इन न्यू दिल्ली. इन दिस पार्क 21 articrafts have been made from the scrap of trees. The Delhi cabinet has approved the setting up the first teacher university in New Delhi. It will act as a hub in the preparing the best quality teachers in Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of 4 hydropower projects in Himachal Pradesh, जैसे कि रेणुका जी डैम प्रोजेक्ट, दौला सिद्धा हाइड्रो पावर प्रोजेक्ट, लुहरी स्टेज हाइड्रो पावर प्रोजेक्ट एंड सवरा खुद hydroelectric project. Okay. Next, 34th Hunar Hath was inaugurated, organized by the Union Ministry of Minority Affairs in Gujarat, artisans from the various states, union territories, which put up the exhibition of their handicrafts. Tamil Nadu government announced Tamil Thai was 2 an innovation song in praise of Mother Tamil as a state anthem and directed everyone present to stand throughout its rendition. Government of Jammu and Kashmir announces issue of trilingual land passbook in Hindi, Urdu and English. अटल इनोवेशन रैंकिंग की बात करें, पहला पोजीशन दिया गया है आईआईटी मद्रास को और इसको इशू करने वाला है यूनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन. चलिए नेक्स्ट हो गया हमारा नवंबर 2021 का है. यूनियन पावर मिनिस्टर आर के सिंह इनॉग्रेटेड द पकौल दुल हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट ऑन मरसुदार रिवर, ए ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ चिनाब इन जम्मू कश्मीर. इट हैज a capacity of 1000 megawatts. Srinagar, the summer capital of Jammu Kashmir, has been included in the list of UNESCO creative sites network. The government of India has announced to create a birth anniversary of Birsa Munda on November 15 as Janjatiya Gaurav Diwas. With an aim to promote yoga, India का पहला National Yoga Sana Championship has organized in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Wangala Festival has organized in Meghalaya, which is celebrated after the harvesting of crops by Garo tribe. Habibganj Railway Station in Bhopal renamed as Rani Kamlapati Railway Station. Government of Arunachal Pradesh has been given the status of state butterfly to butterfly name Kaisare Hind. याद रख लीजिए. Okay. Next है हमारा. So India का पहला grass conservation center was inaugurated at Ranikhat, where various species of grasses will be preserved. Government of Arunachal Pradesh adopted the Pakke Declaration, which is based on climate change during the meeting held at the Pakke Tiger Reserve. The declaration focuses on 5 topics. कौन सा है ये? Pakke Declaration. Okay. याद रख लीजिए. नेक्स्ट हमारा यूनियन मिनिस्टर पीयूष गोयल लॉन्च इंडिया फर्स्ट डिजिटल फूड म्यूजियम एट तंजावुर तमिलनाडु. इंडिया का पहला फिशरीज बिजनेस इंक्यूबेटर वाज सेटअप एट गुरुग्राम इन हरियाणा, व्हिच वाज इनॉग्रेटेड बाय यूनियन मिनिस्टर पुरुषोत्तम रूपाला. दोस्तों, okay, the world's highest motorable road passing through the Umingla Pass in Ladakh has been given the Guinness World Record. The height of the road will be 19,024 feet. 552nd birth anniversary of the Guru Nanak Dev, the founder of Sikhism, was celebrated. It is also called प्रकाश उत्सव या फिर गुरु पारवा कहा जाता है. इनको क्या कहा जाता है? गुरु पारवा. The Ministry of Home Affairs has named the Sadar Bazaar police station in Delhi as the best police station in country. Next, Boita Bandhana festival is celebrated in Odisha, which is associated with maritime tradition. Andhra Pradesh has been accorded with the status of the best maritime state in the country by the Department of Fisheries. SDG Urban Index की बात करें तो पहला जो रैंक है वो शिमला को मिला है. इन 56 अर्बन, लास्ट जो है धनबाद को गया है. HSBC इंडिया लॉन्च इंडिया का पहला फर्स्ट क्रेडिट कार्ड मेड अप ऑफ पॉलीविनाइल क्लोराइड. द मीटिंग ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट एडवाइजरी कमेटी ऑफ द यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्टील वाज हेल्ड इन केवाडिया, गुजरात. इंडिया रैंक सेकंड, कितना है? सेकंड रैंक है इंडिया का. ठीक है. SBI बैंक हैज लॉन्च वीडियो लाइफ सर्टिफिकेट सर्विस फॉर पेंशनर्स रिसीविंग पेंशन. थ्रू दिस दे विल एबल टू सबमिट देयर लाइफ सर्टिफिकेट थ्रू वीडियो फ्रॉम होम. Central government has announced the launch of the Nutrition Smart Village program with an aim to remove the malnutrition from the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has laid down the foundation stone of Noida International Airport at Jewar in Uttar Pradesh. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has approved the constitution of the National Road Safety Board to comply with the new traffic rules. The first state-of-art laboratory in the country has been developed by Department of Food and Public Distribution at Gurugram. The Purvanchal Express was inaugurated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 16 November 2021 in Sultanpur district of Uttar Pradesh. इसका जो लेंथ है 341 किलोमीटर्स है. The runway of this express has been designed for the purpose of taking off and landing of Air Force fighter jets. The total cost of construction in this expressway is about 22,500 crores. दोस्तों, okay? चलिए, Ministry of Civil Aviation launched the Krishi Udan 2.0 scheme in October 2021. ठीक है. And next, Khadi Artisan Conference as organized by Khadi and Village Industry Commission Varanasi. The Swadesh project was launched by the National Brain Research Center, Haryana. It is a world first multimodal brain imaging data analytics. Okay, so Madhya Pradesh government announces to rename Patalpani railway station in Indore after tribal icon Tantiya Mama. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav announced the launch of Bharat Gaurav, a tourism circuit train run jointly by the private sector and IRCTC. The village of Pochampalli in Telangana has been selected as one of the best tourist villages by the United Nations World Tourism Organization. The world highest rail pillar bridge is been constructed in Manipur by the Indian Railways. Its height will be 141 meters and which will break the record of Malarajika Bridge in the Montenegro, Europe. Arunachal Pradesh launches India's first organical certified fruit kiwi. Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh resigned from the post and formed a new party, Lok Congress Party. And Udan Utsav was celebrated at Veer Surendra Sai Airport at Jharsuguda in Odisha. Energy Efficiency Index 2020 की बात करें, इशू किया गया है यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पावर एंड ब्यूरो ऑफ एनर्जी एफिशिएंसी. पहला कर्नाटक है, सेकंड राजस्थान है. And as per the data of the National Family and Health Survey released by Union Health Minister, India now has 1020 females per 1000 males. The fifth World Congress on Disaster Management virtually inaugurated by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, and it was held at IIT Delhi from 24 to 27 November. Indian Home Minister Amit Shah laid the foundation stone of Rani Gaidilu Tribal Freedom Fighter Museum in Manipur, named after freedom fighter Rani Gaidilu. Operation Mountain Metal. The operation was carried out by the Director of Revenue Intelligence so that gold smuggling could be prevented. Okay, India has launched 41st scientific expedition to Antarctica involving 23 scientists. Noida International Airport is being made India's first net zero carbon emitting airport. इंडिया का पहला net zero carbon emitting airport है. ठीक है. मैसूर डिक्लेरेशन की बात करें, द पार्टिसिपेंट फ्रॉम 16 स्टेट साइन इनटू मैनिफेस्टो फॉर डिलीवरिंग सर्विस बाय पंचायत. इंडिया का पहला वर्टिकल लिफ्ट रेलवे सी ब्रिज हैज बीन बिल्ट एट रामेश्वरम इन तमिलनाडु, विच वाज नेम्ड एज पम्बन ब्रिज. दोस्तों, CSIR क्यूरियोसिटी प्रोग्राम, इंडिया का पहला वर्चुअल साइंस लैबोरेटरी फॉर चिल्ड्रन वाज लॉन्च्ड, ऑब्जेक्टिव टू डेवलप ए साइंटिफिक अप्रोच ऑफ चिल्ड्रन. ठीक है, चलिए. द फर्स्ट कंसाइनमेंट ऑफ मिहिदाना स्वीट विद GI टैग फ्रॉम वेस्ट बंगाल वाज एक्सपोर्टेड टू बहरीन, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired 38th Pragati meeting. A total of 8 projects costing 50,000 crores were reviewed in this meeting. On the occasion of 152nd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, the world's largest national flag made of khadi was hosted in Leh, Ladakh. Okay, India का पहला sports arbitration center has been set up at Ahmedabad in Gujarat, which was inaugurated by Union Minister for Law and Justice Kiren Rijiju. For the first time in India, organized cultivation of cinnamon was started by CSIR in Himachal Pradesh. Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0 was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on October 1st, 2021, and Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu inaugurated the Mahabahu Brahmaputra River Heritage Center in Guwahati, Assam. Wetland of India portal की बात करें तो Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav launched the portal on occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. The project is commissioned by the German Federal Ministry for the Environment, Nature Conservation and Nuclear Safety. And Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs organized a new Urban India Conference from 5th to 7th October in Lucknow. याद रख लीजिए. ठीक है. Next, the central government has selected a comic character Chacha Chaudhary as a mascot for the Namami Gange mission. Sudarshan Bharat Parikrama. Union Minister Amit Shah has flagged off NSG All India Car Rally from Red Fort on October 2nd, which was named as Sudarshan Bharat Parikrama. Indian Council of Medical Research has developed drone-based vaccine delivery model iDrone for Northeast State. It was launched by Union Ministry Mansukh Mandavia. The National Tiger Conservation Authority has declared a joint area of Guru Ghasidas National Park in Chhattisgarh and Tamor Pingla Wildlife Sanctuary in Tiger Reserve. याद रख लीजिए. It was announced to rename Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand as Ram Ganga National Park. The Union Cabinet has approved the setting up of 7 PM Mitra parks in various states under PM Mitra योजना announced in budget 2021-22. Okay? और ये जो स्कीम है टेक्सटाइल सेक्टर से डील करती है दोस्तों. ठीक है, चलिए. यूनियन मिनिस्टर गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत जितेंद्र सिंह लॉन्च द हेलीबोन सर्वे टेक्नोलॉजी. कौन सा है? हेलीबोन सर्वे टेक्नोलॉजी फ्रॉम जोधपुर. दोस्तों, इंडियन रेलवे हैज सक्सेसफुली ऑपरेटेड 2 लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस गुड्स ट्रेन्स त्रिशूल एंड गरुड़ा फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन साउथ सेंट्रल रेलवे. द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैज गिवन द स्टेटस ऑफ 11th महारत्ना कंपनी टू पावर फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन. ओके, इसको कब जुडिक्शन में लाया गया था? 1986 में इसको लाया गया था. याद रख लीजिए. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पावर के अंडर आया था. द कंट्रीज फर्स्ट अटल कम्युनिटी इनोवेशन सेंटर जॉइंटली सेटअप बाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया अटल इनोवेशन मिशन नीति आयोग वाज इनॉग्रेटेड इन जयपुर. और इंडिया का पहला वन हेल्थ कंसोर्टियम वाज लॉन्च बाय डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी on October 14, 2021. द प्रोग्राम envisages carrying out surveillance of important bacterial, viral and parasitic infection of zoonotic. याद रख लीजिए. एंड तेलंगाना स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन has developed इंडिया का पहला स्मार्टफोन बेस्ड ई वोटिंग सोल्यूशन. Next, Prime Minister Narendra Modi digitally launched India Space Association. It is a leading industry association of space company operated by ISRO. Varanasi has become the first city in India to use रोपवे सर्विसेज. दोस्तों, पहला सिटी बन चुका है. ओके, अभी रिसेंटली क्या हुआ, GST की जो काउंसिल है, सो उन्होंने जो है इस रोपवे सर्विसेज का पर जो GST लगता है उसको रिड्यूस कर दिया है. ठीक है. एंड यूनियन होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह फ्लैग्ड ऑफ मोदी वैन at Kaushambi UP as a part of Seva Hi Sangathan program. UP government announced to rename Faizabad railway station as Ayodhya Cantonment railway station. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Gati Shakti National Master Plan worth 100 lakh crore. दोस्तों, इंडिया का फर्स्ट IVF कॉफ ऑफ बनी breed of buffaloes was born at farmer house in Gir Somnath district of Gujarat. Goa became the first state to achieve open defecation free status and electricity for every household. The government of Maharashtra has passed its own wildlife action plan. It has become the first state in India to do so. Okay. Union Ministry for Health and Family Welfare Mansukh Mandavia attended the Asia Health 2021 Summit organized by CII, Confederation of Indian Industry. ठीक है, चलिए. The government of Maharashtra inaugurates India का पहला wildlife DNA testing laboratory at Nagpur, and India's largest aromatic garden was inaugurated at Nainital, Uttarakhand. and there are 140 species of aromatic plant in this garden. National Tribal Dance Festival was organized in Raipur from 28 to 30 October. The Mysore Chennai Shatabdi Express has become the first integrated management system certification train of South Central Railway. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee Port in Kolkata has become the first port in India to receive the radio over internet protocol system. दोस्तों नीति आयोग released geospatial energy map of India in collaboration with ISRO. This will be useful in ensuring integrated planning in India's energy sector. Indian Ayush Minister Sarbananda Sonowal inaugurated the Ayushman at Gandhidham, and Mount Harriet, the island group of Andaman Nicobar, was renamed as Mount Manipur. The Aadhaar Hackathon 2021 was organized by UADAI on October 28 to 31st. IT-enabled payment and accounting system called Prabal was developed by Department of Defense Accounts and Ministry of Defense. दोस्तों ठीक है, so सितंबर 2021 में आ गए हैं हम. IIT Madras developed a digital platform called eSource for electronic waste disposal. SBI launched a floating ATM at Dal Lake in Srinagar. दोस्तों IIT Ropar, Kanpur and Delhi University jointly developed the world first plant based purifier. दोस्तों यहाँ देख लीजिए. ओके, पहला plant based है ये, named You Breathe Life. Prime Minister Narendra Modi released a commemorative coin of 125 on the occasion of 124th fifth birth anniversary of ISKCON founder Sri Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada. Okay, the Indian Ministry of Ladakh declares snow leopard as a state animal as well as black-necked crane as a state bird. Maharashtra government has announced to set up a science city in Pune to develop scientific temper among students. This science city will be named as after Rajiv Gandhi. Tamil Nadu government announces setting up the India first Dugong Conservation Reserve in Park Bay. Dugong is a marine mammal which is also known as sea cow. It is found in the Gulf of Mannar and Park Bay. Okay. Next, for the first time in India, the India Plastic Pact platform was launched in India in the collaboration with Confederation of India Industry and the Worldwide Fund of Nature for the purpose of reuse and recycling of plastic. It was launched by British High Commissioner of India Alexander Ellis. दोस्तों यहाँ देख लीजिए. Okay, and India first Asia country to enter into plastic agreement है. For the first time in India, a building has been constructed from organic brick made from agriculture waste in IIT Hyderabad, and FSSAI has granted 5-star E-Trade Station certification to Chandigarh railway station. The certification is given to provide nutritious and high quality food to the passengers. Okay, so in order to encourage sports person in the Olympic Games, the government of UP has decided to adopt the sport of wrestling till 2032 to promote the sport of wrestling. The Assam cabinet decided to remove the name of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi from Orang National Park. Chhattisgarh government has set up a journalist welfare fund to provide a financial assistance to the families of journalists who lost their lives due to COVID-19. Amazon India launches the Kisan Store. क्या launch किया है इन्होंने? Kisan Store to ensure that India's farmers have access to farm tools, seeds and etc. Union Ministry of Women and Child Development announces to celebrate the month of September as पोषण माह भी कहा जाता है इसको. के मंथ हो या फिर आपको कई जगह MAH माह भी दिखाई देता है. ठीक है. So Chief Minister Pramod Sawant announced to provide the water to the people of the state from September 1st, 2021, and Goa has become the first state in the country to provide free water to the citizen. Shikshak Parv 2021 was organized by Ministry of Education from 5th September to 17th September. The government of MP announced 27% reservation for OBCs for direct recruitment to the government services. कौन सी गवर्नमेंट ने अनाउंस किया है? ये MP ने अनाउंस किया है दोस्तों. ओके, मध्य प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट ने. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, Nipah virus reported in Kozhikode, Kerala. The virus is transmitted from bats to human. 5-day international conference on nanotechnology was organized at National Institute of Technology in Srinagar, 7 September. A new fever has been reported from Mathura in UP, which has been named as Scrub typhus disease. Okay. Karbi Anglong Peace Accord was signed between Government of India, Government of Assam and the Karbi Group. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has notified the Dipawar Beel Wildlife Sanctuary located in Assam as eco-sensitive zone. दोस्तों, country highest air purifier tower was constructed in Chandigarh. It is 24 meter high and will purify the air in 1 kilometers. BHEL has set up the country's first indigenously developed ash coal gasification based methanol production plant at Hyderabad. The plant will produce 0.25 tons of methanol per day from high ash coal. Okay, चलिए. National Highway Authority of India has developed India का पहला emergency landing facility for the Air Force on NH 925 near Barmer in Rajasthan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Sardar Dham Bhavan in Ahmedabad through video conferencing. The building will provide separate hostel facility to rural boys and girls. The government of Tamil Nadu is announced to celebrate death anniversary of Subramaniam Bharati as a Mahakavi Divas. Okay. Next, Tamil Nadu government has announced to observe Social Justice Day on the birth anniversary of E.V. Ramaswamy on 17 September. India का largest open air refinery was built at Ranikhet in Uttarakhand. various species of ferns were preserved here, and awareness about their role in ecosystem will be promoted. As per National Institutional Ranking Framework 2021, IIT Madras has been adjudged the best institution overall for the third time in a row. Madhya Pradesh has become the first state in the country to implement cyber security to prevent cyber attacks. Okay, Telangana became the first state to transport medicine. याद रख लीजिए, तेलंगाना जो है पहला स्टेट बना था ये. Okay, पहला स्टेट है जो ट्रांसपोर्ट द मेडिसिन थ्रू ड्रोन्स. तेलंगाना हैज नेम्ड इट इज़ अ मेडिसिन फ्रॉम द स्काई प्रोजेक्ट. आपको पता है नॉर्थ ईस्ट में भी ड्रोन्स के ज़रिए से ये वैक्सीन को पहुंचाया गया था. बता सकते हैं आप कौन सा स्टेट है? उसका नाम है मणिपुर. याद रख लीजिए दोस्तों. ओके, Manipur also important. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid down the foundation stone of university in the honor of freedom fighter and social reformer Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh. Next, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu and Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla launch a Parliament TV. किसको मर्ज करके इन्होंने पार्लियामेंट टीवी लाने की बात की है? एक तो लोकसभा हो गया और दूसरा हो गया राज्यसभा. ठीक है. एंड टाटा स्टील कंपनी हैज सेट अप इंडियाज फर्स्ट कार्बन कैप्चर प्लांट एट जमशेदपुर. जमशेदपुर कहाँ पे आता है? बता पाएंगे आप कौन से स्टेट में आता है जमशेदपुर? The plant will absorb 5 tons of carbon dioxide per day. The Tata Steel has become the first company in India to adopt such a technology. Niti Aayog Adult Innovation Mission launched Space Challenge for school students in collaboration with ISRO and CBSE. Under this, the students will encourage to promote innovation in the field of space. CISF officer Geeta Samota became the fastest Indian to climb Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, Africa, and Mount Elbrus in Russia. Government of UP announces the setting up of the electronic park to promote electronic industry. The world's highest electric vehicle charging station at Kaza in Himachal Pradesh has been constructed. It is founded by Go Ego company. Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has launched a rail skill development scheme. Under this, about 50,000 youth will be trained at 75 railway training institutes. Rajasthan government passes a new bill amending the Rajasthan Tourism Trade Act 2010. Under this, misbehavior will be in the state has been declared as offence. Okay, नीति आयोग releases a report on improvement in the urban planning capacity. और इसके तहत जो है टोटल आपको 500 हेल्थ सिटीज बनाए जाएंगे. सॉरी, नॉट 5,000, इट्स 500 दोस्तों नेक्स्ट 5 years में. इट हैज टारगेट टू मेक द ऑल सिटीज हेल्थी बाय 2030. Archaeological Survey of India has discovered the remains of temple of the Gupta Empire in Etah in UP दोस्तों. To mark the golden jubilee of Indo-Pak War in 1971, the Indian Army organized the Bijoy Sanskrit Mahotsav. Okay. The Union Home Minister and Cooperation Minister Amit Shah inaugurated the first ever National Cooperative Conference at Indira Gandhi Stadium in New Delhi. The Supreme Court of India has introduced an electric system called FASTER. Okay. इस सिस्टम का नाम क्या है? FASTER है. Okay. FASTER. Through this system, e-certified records will be sent from courts to jail, right? And FASTER is a fast, secure transmission of electronic records. Government of India has taken up the construction of Parshuram Kund, the Hindu shrine in Arunachal Pradesh. The shrine will be located on the Lohit River in Brahmaputra Plateau. Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched on September 27, 2021. And the biggest palmettom in North India was inaugurated at Haldwani, Nainital district of Uttarakhand. It has been created to create awareness about the importance of palm species in role in ecology. Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Thakur inaugurated the 5-day Himalayan Festival. Okay, and Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment has launched helpline number for the elderly, which has been named as Elder Line. India का पहला हार्ट फेलियर बायो बैंक was set up in Sri Chitra Tribunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology दोस्तों. Chennai Central Railway Station or MG Ramachandran Railway Station has become 100% solar power railway station. Bhubaneswar has become the first city in India to achieve या फिर receive 100% COVID-19 vaccination. Athletics Federation of India has decided to observe 7th August as a javelin throw day. Oh, हम लोग अगस्त में एंटर हो चुके हैं दोस्तों, मुझे पता ही नहीं चला, मैं सोचा इसी का कंटिन्यूएशन चल रहा है. तो वी हैव एंटर इन अगस्त. सो 7th August को javelin throw day मनाया जाता है. A decentralized biomedical waste incinerator was set up in Buxar district of Bihar. Okay. On the occasion of the completion of 1 year of the new education policy, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Vidya Pravesh program. इंडिया का पहला ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन फ्यूलिंग स्टेशन विल बी सेटअप बाय एनटीपीसी एट लेह लद्दाख दोस्तों. फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम 2 women officers प्रगति एंड दिशा वर अपॉइंटेड फॉर द इंडो-टिबेटन बॉर्डर पुलिस फोर्स. द इंडियन एयरफोर्स was built the old highest mobile air traffic control tower in Ladakh, and under the ongoing Swachh Sarvekshan 2021, the Indore city of Madhya Pradesh has been declared as India's first water plus city दोस्तों. On August 13, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the vehicle scrap policy. Under this, commercial policy will be scrapped after 15 years and private vehicles को 20 साल तक दिया गया है. दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्योंकि कमर्शियल व्हीकल को कई सारे लोग 20 साल में कंफ्यूज कर लेते हैं. ओके, याद रखिए, मैं यहाँ पे लिख के दिखाता हूँ. ओके, कमर्शियल व्हीकल इट हैज़ बीन गिवन फॉर ओनली 15 ईयर्स दोस्तों। ओके, एक मिनट में क्लियर कर देता हूँ उसको। सो कमर्शियल व्हीकल को सिर्फ 15 ईयर्स है, वही अगर प्राइवेट व्हीकल्स हो तो इसको 20 ईयर्स दिया गया है। ठीक है, याद रखिए, डोंट कंफ्यूज। पार्लियामेंट पास द 127 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट बिल 2021। अंडर दिस बिल द स्टेट एंड यूनियन टेरिटरी विल बी empowered to prepare their own OBC list. Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has launched a brand called Sonchidia for the land scale of products manufactured by self-help groups. Okay, the Assam government passed the Cattle Protection Bill in 2021 in Legislative Assembly, and Kaziranga National Park in Assam has become the first nation park in India to equip with the satellite phones with the help of satellite phone. Okay, IDFC First Bank announced the signing of MOU with Indian Navy to offer Honor First, a premium banking solution. दोस्तों, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced August 14 as a Partition Horror Remembrance Day. दोस्तों, okay. नेक्स्ट है हमारा प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी लॉन्च द मिशन सर्कुलर इकोनॉमी टू मेक इंडिया सेल्फ रिलायंट इन एनर्जी सेक्टर एंड द सेट अ टारगेट ऑफ मेकिंग इंडिया एनर्जी फ्री बाय 2027. Madras High Court has struck down the law banning online games by Tamil Nadu. Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Narendra Singh Tomar inaugurated the world's second largest national gene bank at Pusa. दोस्तों, on completion of phase 1 trials of India's first nasal COVID vaccine phase 2 phase 3 trials have been allowed, and under the first phase it was successfully tested in the age group of 18 years to 60 years. The vaccine has been manufactured by Bharat Biotech. Chhattisgarh has become the first state in India to recognize community forest resource rights in urban areas. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik announced to provide smart health cards to 3.5 crore people of state under Biju Swasthya Kalyan Yojana on the occasion of 75th Independence Day. The Delhi Chandigarh railway station has become India का पहला electric vehicle friendly highway है. हरियाणा Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar announced to rename the Hisar Airport as Maharaja Agrasen International Airport. Okay, in the Hurun Global Rich List 2021, American company Apple was ranked first among the top 500 most valued companies. दोस्तों, okay, चलिए, so in the US top with 243 companies, और इंडिया का रैंक देख लीजिए, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसमें इंडिया का रैंक जो है 9th रैंक है. ठीक है, Bharat Petroleum Limited launched an AI-based chatbot called Urja under Project Anubhav. This is India's first chatbot in the oil and gas industry, through which online platform will be provided for quick resolution of customer queries. India's highest herbal park was set up at Chamoli in Uttarakhand. This park is located at an altitude of 11,000 feet. With a view to promote Sanskrit in India, 19th August to 25th August 2021 was celebrated as Sanskrit Week. दोस्तों, ठीक है, during 75-week period from March 12, 2021 to August 15, 2023 of the Amrit Mahotsav of Independence Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the rolling out of 75 Vande Bharat trains. The world's first museum on wheels was inaugurated in Kolkata on the occasion of 75th Independence Day. Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel announces creation of 4 new districts in the state. These 4 districts are Mohla, Manipur, शक्ति, महेंद्रगढ़, सरांगढ़ और बिलाईगढ़. दोस्तों, याद रख लीजिए. ठीक है, एंड डिफेंस मिनिस्टर राजनाथ सिंह अनाउंस टू रीनेम द आर्मी स्पोर्ट्स इंस्टीट्यूट इन पुणे एज नीरज चोपड़ा स्टेडियम. इंडियन आर्मी ऑर्गेनाइज 400 किलोमीटर रिले मैराथन इन जम्मू कश्मीर विच वॉज नेम्ड एज जज्बा तिरंगा. दिल्ली चीफ मिनिस्टर अरविंद केजरीवाल इनॉग्रेटेड इंडिया का पहला स्मॉक टावर एट कनॉट प्लेस इन न्यू दिल्ली. द टावर विल प्यूरिफाई 1000 पब्लिक cubic meters of every second, helping to deal with the air pollution. IIT Madras was developed India का पहला indigenous motorized wheelchair vehicle, okay, so which has been named as Neobolt. 170th birth anniversary of India renowned writer and freedom fighter Subhadra Kumari Chaudhary has celebrated. American company Ohmium International launched India का पहला कौन सा है, green hydrogen electrolyzer manufacturing plant. दोस्तों, okay, this is first and green hydrogen. The world highest cinema hall was inaugurated in Ladakh. It located at an altitude of 11,562 feet. The Indian Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has launched Bharat series with a number plate of new vehicles. On August 25, 2021, a meeting of National Security Advisor of IBSA was held through video conferencing, which was hosted by Indian National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. The UP government has decided to name the road leading to Ram Temple in Ayodhya after the former Chief Minister Kalyan Singh. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट हमारा द इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया ऑर्गेनाइज स्वीप SVEEP कंसल्टेंसी वर्कशॉप ऑन August 25 to 26. नीति आयोग, ओके, एंड द वर्ल्ड रिसोर्स की बात करें, इंस्टीट्यूट जॉइंटली लॉन्च फोरम फॉर डीकार्बनाइजिंग ट्रांसपोर्ट. इट एम्स टू रिड्यूस द ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस जनरेटिंग फ्रॉम ट्रांसपोर्ट इन द एशिया रीजन. चलिए जुलाई का देख लेते हैं. प्रेसिडेंट रामनाथ कोविंद, ओके, यहाँ पे गोविंद लिखा हुआ है, इट्स ए कोविंद. laid the foundation stone of Bhimrao Ambedkar Memorial and a Cultural Center at Aishbagh in Lucknow. The center will have a 25 feet tall statue of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Nipun Bharat program. Union Education Minister launches the Nipun Bharat program. It aims to provide the knowledge of basic literacy and numbers to every child up 3 grade by 2026-27. India का पहला movable fresh water tunnel aquarium has been opened at KSR railway station in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Okay, and it's 12 feet long. It is objective to give world-class experience to passengers at lower cost and bring about environmental awareness दोस्तों. Okay, so India का पहला movable fresh water tunnel aquarium. Okay, चलिए. Delhi Metro Rail Corporation has launched India का पहला FASTag based cashless parking facility. Spurs system. The Ministry of Defence launched the Spurs system for pensioners of the Indian Army. Through this, timely payment will be ensured digitally to the pensioners. Okay, so actually ये book में ही ऐसा ही print होके आया दोस्तों. इसका ये page light print है. फिर ऐसा comments मत लिखना कि सर it is clearly not visible बोल के. ये बुक में ही पता न जाने क्यों लाइट से प्रिंट हुआ है, तो स्कैन भी ऐसा ही होता है. ठीक है. The Amazon company has set up its first digital center in India in Surat, Gujarat. Okay, and the center will inform MSME about the benefits of e-commerce. Manipur has also been included in the railway map of India. The Rajdhani Express from Silchar railway station, Assam, was tested for Wangai railway station in Manipur. Yeah, right. Next, Indian Council for Agriculture Relation will be set up in Bagabandhu Chair at Delhi University to strengthen ties with the Bangladesh as well as to commemorate 50th anniversary. कितना anniversary हुआ हमारा? 50th. Okay. Of the country liberation war. Union Home Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari inaugurated India का पहला LNG facility in नागपुर. नागपुर में इसको inaugurate किया गया है. ठीक है. Next, under this, the use of alternative fuels like indigenous ethanol, bio CNG, LNG will be promoted. UP government has launched a new population policy to control the population. India का largest solar power park will be built by the India's power producer NTPC Limited at Cochin, Gujarat. Okay, and one more thing. So India's largest floating solar power park अगर आपको बोले तो recent current affair है. Okay, अगर वो पूछे इंडिया का largest floating solar पार्क कहाँ पे इनॉग्रेट किया गया है, तो राइट आंसर इसका तेलंगाना, हैदराबाद में इसको इनॉग्रेट किया गया है. ठीक है, रिसेंटली. सो नेक्स्ट, इंडिया का पहला क्रिप्टोगैमिक गार्डन वाज इनॉग्रेटेड देहरादून, उत्तराखंड, एंड वेरियस स्पीसीज ऑफ लिचेन, algae, fungi will be found in this garden. Union Territory of Ladakh signed an agreement with Sikkim to become organic by 2025. North Eastern Railway has been renamed the Mandwadia Railway Station, Uttar Pradesh, as at Banaras Railway Station. India का पहला green ATM has been set up at Gurugram in Haryana. This machine is like a bank ATM. In this of beneficiaries enter the Aadhaar or ration card number. The food grains will come out of the machine. Okay. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the Rudraksh Conference Center at Varanasi, दोस्तों, in UP. It is a center of international cooperation and conference that will attract tourists and traders to the city. There are 108 Rudraksh in this center and is in the shape of Shivling, दोस्तों, याद रख लीजिए. ठीक है. चलिए, the Maharashtra government launched a new electric vehicle policy 2021 to make the state as the largest producer of electric vehicles in India. Under this, the share of electric vehicles in registration to be bought up to 10% by 2025. Karnataka became the first state in India to produce 1% reservation jobs for transgender person. For the first time in India, the cultivation of monk fruit of China was tested in Kulu. याद रख लीजिए, यहाँ पे आपको सीधा नहीं दिख रहा होगा, मैं लिख के दिखाता हूँ. It's a monk fruit. Okay. Indian Oil Corporation will set up India's first hydrogen plant at Mathura Refinery, Uttar Pradesh. UNESCO has included 6 cities in India in the tentative list of World Heritage Sites. कितने cities include किया है इंडिया ने? 6 cities. अभी नंबर कितना पे जा चुका है? 48 पे जा चुका है. ठीक है. अभी आई थिंक फिल वक्त और एक सिटी पे ऐड हुआ है, तो टोटल आई थिंक 49 होगा. एक बार चेक कर लीजिएगा आप. ठीक है. The Kakatiya Rudreshwar Temple at Palampet in Telangana has been included in UNESCO World Heritage Site. Okay, and it is the 39th heritage site of India, दोस्तों. Next, the central government has announced the setting up of country first Indian Heritage Institute of Noida. Noida में लाया गया है. Periyamkulam village in Kollam district of Kerala has given the title of Kerala First Book Village. Meghalaya Chief Minister Congrats Sangma and the Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated the Greater Sora Water Supply Scheme, दोस्तों. Dholavira Harappan period town in Gujarat has been included in UNESCO World Heritage Site at the 40th Heritage Sites. Okay. Puri became the first city in India to provide quality tap drinking water on 24/7 basis. It is a part of Odisha's Drink from Tap project. It was decided by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment to set up a Garima Greh, दोस्तों, Garima Greh for transgender person. IIT Hyderabad developed India का पहला rapid COVID-19 RNA test. It has been named COVID Home, through which COVID-19 can be tested at home. National Research Center of Yak, based in Kamang, Arunachal Pradesh, signed an agreement with National Insurance Company Limited to insure the Himalayan yak. A five-star hotel has been constructed over Gandhinagar railway station, Gujarat, which was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. For the first time in India, a five-star hotel has been constructed at railway station. Okay. चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. एंड कंचन उगुरसंडी कंप्लीटेड इंडियाज फर्स्ट सिंगल मोटरसाइकिल एक्सपीडिशन by crossing 18 passes in India. दोस्तों कितने क्रॉस किया इन्होंने? 18 passes. Okay. She became the first woman biker to cover a distance of 3,187 km from Delhi, Manali, Leh, Umlingla, Delhi. The area of Limru Elephant Reserve in Korba district of Chhattisgarh has been proposed to be decreased by State Forestry Ministry from 1995 square kilometers to 450 square kilometers. For the first time, a case of Zika virus was reported in Kerala. The virus spreads from mosquito. Operation Prabha Cochin International Airport Limited launched this operation to protect the airport from flood hazards. भारत वाटिका पार्क की बात करें, where the state trees from 28 states and 5 union territories and 24 other tree species have been preserved is constructed in Uttarakhand. A Balika Panchayat was organized in Kunaria village in Kutch district of Gujarat and it aims to increase the participation of girls panchayat in election. और ये पहला है, याद देख लीजिए, फर्स्ट है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट जून 2021 की बात करें तो गोवा हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट स्टेट इन द कंट्री टू बिकम ए रैबिस free. Okay. Government of Odisha has signed an agreement with the United Nations World Food Program to improve food and nutritional security. Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually inaugurated the Japan Zen Garden and Kaizen Academy in Ahmedabad. It has been jointly established by India and Japan. A water formula agreement was signed between Karnataka and Maharashtra to tackle the problem of drought. Bharti Airtel and Tata Group have decided to build a 5G network solution for India to encourage population growth in Mizoram. The Sports Minister of State announced to provide 1 lakh to the parents with highest number of children. दोस्तों, a rubber research institute has started farm trials of the world's first genetically modified rubber in Assam. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment has announced setting up Divyang Khel Kendras with an object of encouraging the persons with disabilities in sports to do well in the Paralympics. As a part of Amrit Mahotsav of Independence, Flag Satyagraha program was organized in Jabalpur. ग्रीन टैरिफ पॉलिसी की बात करें तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट हैज इंप्लीमेंटेड द पॉलिसी टू स्ट्रेंथन इंडियाज ग्रीन एनर्जी पोटेंशियल. यूनियन मिनिस्टर फॉर फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री नरेंद्र सिंह तोमर इनॉग्रेट इंडियाज बेस्ट मेगा फूड पार्क इन छत्तीसगढ़. दोस्तों, इट्स ऑब्जेक्ट इज टू जनरेट ह्यूज एम्प्लॉयमेंट इन द स्टेट एंड डिक्रीज द इनकम टू द फार्मर्स. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, Wayan village in Jammu Kashmir become the first village in India to vaccinate 100% of the adult population against COVID-19. Uttar Pradesh government launches special pink booth for vaccination of women. IFCO launches world first nano urea liquid. It has been developed with the help of nanotechnology, which will enhance the quality and production of crops. And the government of Haryana has announced to install Oxy for जिसे हम ऑक्सी फॉरेस्ट जिसे कहते हैं या फिर ऑक्सीजन फॉरेस्ट इन करनाल डिस्ट्रिक्ट. द फॉरेस्ट विल डेवलप 80 acres in which 3 crore trees will be planted. Swastik CSIR NCL Pune has launched a new technology called Swastik, which will disinfect water using natural oils. इंडिया का पहला फ्लोटिंग LNG स्टोरेज एंड रीगैसिफिकेशन यूनिट was launched in Maharashtra. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced the development of Kevadia city in Gujarat as the country's first electric vehicle city. Only electric cars will run here. IIT Ropar has developed a Jeevan Vayu device for the supply of oxygen in hospital. It can deliver high flow oxygen up to 60 liters per minute. This device will work even without electricity. The Bihar government has announced 33% reservation for women in medical and engineering colleges. The Dagmagra hydroelectric project is being constructed on Kosi River in Supaul district of Bihar. The capacity of project will be 130.1 megawatt. For this, Bihar Hydro Power Corporation enter into agreement with National Hydroelectric Power Corporation. May के मंथ में हम आ चुके हैं. इंडियन आर्मी इन कोलैबोरेशन विद IIT मुंबई लॉन्च फर्स्ट ग्रीन सोलर एनर्जी हार्नेसिंग प्लांट इन सिक्किम. याद रख लीजिए. The Supreme Court has set aside more than 50% reservation in jobs and educational institution to Marathas given by Maharashtra government in 2018. ठीक है. Government of Punjab has declared Malerkotla district as 23rd district of state, and Puducherry has achieved the target of 100% piped water connection rural areas under Jal Jeevan Mission. दोस्तों, aviation company Go Air decided to rebrand itself as Go First. Digital real-time flood reporting and information system was jointly launched by Assam State Disaster Management Agency. Moma Market, the government of Manipur launched the online application Manipur Organic Mission Agency Market for home delivery of fresh vegetables. Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Microsoft signed an agreement to bring about digital transformation in tribal schools. दोस्तों, ठीक है. Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce in collaboration with NABARD has set up India's first Krishi Export Facilitation Center. West Bengal Cabinet has approved the constitution of Legislative Council in India. ठीक है, याद रख लीजिए. Next, Jharkhand has ranked first in the implementation of Smart City Mission as per the ranking released by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. The Indian Broadcasting Foundation was renamed as the Indian Broadcasting and Digital Foundation. The Punjab government has renamed Mohali International Hockey Stadium as Balbir Singh Senior International Stadium. Okay, Unite Aware platform. India has announced the launch of Unite Aware, a mobile platform for protection of UN peacekeepers on duty. In the wake of controversy over the PASA Act, Lakshadweep, there is a demand for the removal of Lakshadweep Administrative Praful Patel. Okay, the guardian ministers has been appointed for the various district in Assam. Each guardian minister has been given the responsibility of 2 to 3 districts which will implement the central and state scheme in districts. Okay, चलिए नेक्स्ट है अप्रैल के हम देखते हैं दोस्तों. अप्रैल में आ चुके हैं हम. आई थिंक ये लास्ट मंथ रहेगा अभी. ओके, सो महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट डिक्लेयर्स an area at Amboli in western ghats of Sindhudurg district as biodiversity heritage site. India's biggest floating solar plant is being set up at Ramagundam in Peddapalli district of Telangana. Construction of the world's highest railway arc bridge in Jammu Kashmir has been completed. Okay, its height is 395 meters above the river bed. Poshan Gyan Digital Repository, a national digital repository on health and nutrition called Poshan Gyan, was launched by Niti Aayog dosto. West Central Railway has become the first fully electrified railway zone in the country. The Union Health Minister has announced the setting up of 100 such hospitals in the country under PM CARES, which have their own oxygen plants dosto. Italy has launched its first ever mega food park project in India in the Mehsana district of Gujarat dosto. Priyanka Mohite from Maharashtra has become the first Indian woman mountaineer to scale Mount Annapurna. याद रख लीजिए, important है. Okay. Next, Viral Desai from Gujarat launches Satyagraha against pollution under he has set a target of planting 2,75,000 trees in next 75 weeks. On the occasion of Panchayati Raj Day on April 24th, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the distribution of e-property cards under Swamitva scheme. India का पहला 3D printed house was constructed at the Indian Institute of Technology Madras. ठीक है, इसको इनॉग्रेट किया गया था हमारे फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर निर्मला सीतारामन जी. 5 दिन में इसको बना के तैयार कर दिया था. Ghaziabad Municipal Corporation has issued India's first municipal green bond. It will be used to ensure water supply by setting up water treatment plant. Ministry of Shipping and Waterways has approved a 110 crore rupees Ropax jetty project on Dhamra, याद रख लीजिए, river at Kendrapara in Odisha. The Union Health Minister has declared Union Territory of Lakshadweep TB free. Delhi Airport has launched an oxygen bar called OxyPure. In this bar, passenger can take an advantage of oxygenated air. The Government of India has given organic certification to some parts of Andaman Nicobar. The first oxygen express was run by Indian Railways from Mumbai to Visakhapatnam. And India का पहला vertical forest tower is being built in Bengaluru. It is named as Mana Foresta. Okay, यहाँ पे मैंने देखा है actually, बहुत ही खूबसूरत है दोस्तों. Goa-based startup company Kabira Mobility has been developed India पहला जो high speed commercial delivery e-scooter called Hermes 75. Uttar Pradesh government announces setting up a Ramayana Museum and Cultural Center at Baram Banki. Okay, और कंट्री का पहला, इंडिया का पहला फर्स्ट एग्रो बेस्ड सोलर पावर प्लांट वाज सेट अप एट जयपुर इन राजस्थान. इट हैज बीन सेट अप अंडर पीएम कुसुम स्कीम व्हिच विल जनरेट 17 lakh units of electricity every year. Okay, one more month we have, that is March 2021. In a report of Central Pollution Control Board, Odisha has ranked first among the 112 most polluted places. Second place उत्तर प्रदेश, थर्ड दिल्ली को जाता है. ठीक है. Global Bio India 2021, the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Dr. Harshvardhan virtually inaugurated Global Bio India in New Delhi दोस्तों. International Yoga Festival, ठीक है, ऑब्जेक्टिव देख लेते हैं. To take India forward in biotechnology sector, India set a target to become $150 billion in bioeconomy by 2025. Theme क्या थी? Biosciences to bioeconomy, transforming lives. International Yoga Day inaugurated at Rishikesh in UP. It was jointly organized by Tourism Development Board of Uttarakhand and Garhwal Division Development Corporation. और इस बार का जो योगा डे हुआ था, कौन से डेट को हुआ था? जून 21 को हुआ था, याद रख लीजिए. ओके, इंटरनेशनल योगा डे. और हमारे जो इंडिया में मनाया गया था मैसूर में दोस्तों, याद रख लीजिए. ओके, इस बार का जो लोकेशन था मैसूर था. टेक भारत की बात करें, द यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड वेलफेयर डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन inaugurates the टेक भारत 2021. एंड टेक भारत इज a facilitating interaction and deliberation between thousands of domestic and global participation, including policymaker, government representative, etc. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the Jan Aushadhi Divas celebration and also dedicated the 7,500 Jan Aushadhi Kendras. Okay. Government of Bihar has approved ethanol production promotion policy 2021, under which ethanol production will be promoted. The government of Andhra Pradesh has decided to set up India का पहला ambulance network for animals. The central government conferred the national honor on Kerala for its TB eradication program. दोस्तों, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav on March 12, 2021. Okay, it is an initiative of Government of India to celebrate, commemorate 75 years of independence and the glorious history of its people, culture and achievements. Okay, the country's first forest healing center was inaugurated at Ranikhet by Research Wing of Uttarakhand Forest Department. Manipur has been declared as model state for implementation of Bandhan Yojana. Medical termination of pregnancy amendment bill has been passed by Rajya Sabha in March 2021. It provides for increasing the limit of abortion from 20 weeks to 24 weeks. The first Indo-Korean Friendship Park was inaugurated in New Delhi on March 26. दोस्तों, ठीक है. The fresh fruit cake movement was carried out by the fruit producer of Maharashtra to promote fresh fruit cakes. This will boost the production of fruits and benefit the farmer affected due to lockdown. Country का पहला centralized air conditioned railway terminal has been built in Bangalore, which is named after M. Visvesvaraya. Okay, and this station will have airport-like facilities. On 2nd March, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated 3-day Maritime India Summit. और partner country कौन थी? डेनमार्क थी. Objective क्या था हमारा? To explore the potential business opportunities Indian maritime sector. Okay, during this Chabahar Day was celebrated on March 4th, which minister from 6 countries participated.